1. Confirm the cutting position according to the spacing of the nozzle. 2. After confirming the spacing, cut it to the appropriate position with scissors. Insert the composite pipe into the base after cutting. The quick plug base is one of our more important pipe fittings. The top is used to plug in the nozzle. The two ends are used to plug in the polymer composite pipe, respectively. .300 for stainless steel pipe, also known as hollow pipe. The way it is cropped is also very simple. Take out the hollow tube and find the appropriate position. Take out the pipe cutter and place it where you want to cut. 3. Tighten the handle and turn the blade until it cuts down. Prepare a 300 for stainless steel tube. 2. Go through the nut from right to left and then through the snap ring. The largest side of the snap ring is facing the base, and the short side is facing the nut. Insert the steel pipe into the base, tighten the clasp, glue it, and lock the nut. 4. One wrench secures the base, and the other wrench locks the nut.